Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying safe out there. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel, guys. I really appreciate it. Honestly, I love talking with everyone in the comments and the community tab above because we all find hidden gems, guys, and that's where we talk about projects and we all make money. So if you're new to the channel, please make sure you smash the subscribe button, turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see here, I love documenting my journey with investing, be it through cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and yes, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. It's been insane so far. Also guys, if you can give this video a thumbs up down there, it doesn't cost you anything, just really helps me push this channel out to a lot more people because the YouTube algorithm is magic. All right guys, let's get straight into it. Little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff. I don't want to see anyone get financially hurt. Jump on all the websites I've recommended in all my videos, especially for cryptos. They will really help you, give you confidence before investing. Me, my golden rule is only invest what I can afford to lose. Yes, we don't like to lose, but you can lose money like that in cryptos, all right? So please be careful, do your own research. Don't take what I say as financial advice. All right, guys, so today's video is going to be something different. I usually show my Coinspot account, and that's where I buy my cryptos in Australia. If you're interested in starting out in cryptos, please feel free to use the referral link below for Coinspot. You can get $10 in Bitcoin if you wish to use that. That's awesome. Bitcoin is only going to hit $150,000 very soon, guys. It's coming. It's inevitable. The price is going parabolic at the moment. So today's video is going to be generally about finding crypto gems, in particular on KuCoin. Now, I will say that I found a hidden gem, which was XYO on KuCoin, and I tell you, it was at like 2 or 3 zeros or 2 zeros, and now the price is sitting at around 9 to 10 cents Australian dollars, which is just crazy when you think about it, because the gains have just been ridiculous. So I just want to point out that for this video, you're just going to need a KuCoin account. Now, also XDC was on KuCoin as well, so I ended up acquiring that before it was listed on Coinspot in Australia, so that was on KuCoin as well. So let's go into the KuCoin app. Now, it's just here. This is an app on your iPhone. You can use the browser on your desktop, whatever you wish. So once you've set up an account on KuCoin, you'll need to go through the site and obviously and set up all that business there and get verified. So this is the app that I'm using, and there's a cool feature on this. If you go to more, I'm just going to lay that up here. You can see here you've got features you want to add to your homepage, right? And obviously I've added new listings, and that's very important as well. New listings, obviously you can add that straight away, so you can select all the stuff that you want on your home screen. You just go edit, and you can, if I just go like X, for example, just wait for that to logo down. All right, so where did it go? All right, so trade, obviously new listings, you go add and save, and then go back to your home screen, and there it is, right? So new listings on KuCoin are where the hidden gems are. And you'll find these are like below 1 cent, and these are great buying opportunities. And I've already done some research into some projects, and how I did that research is I basically went on Twitter and then I typed in KuCoin gems. And the reason why I do this is because there's always stuff flying around social media, and I'm very big on social media because this is where you'll find a lot of people talking. Like Shiba Inu just went parabolic, obviously because of the social media stuff. And you look at Dogecoin, social media, XYO, social media. I mean, these are great projects that are very early, and you can find some real hidden gems here. So you've got some new listings, and they have 3 features here. You've got hot and new and free Monday. I haven't even touched the free Monday thing, but hot. So these are the ones that have just been listed, new listings on KuCoin. So you've got C-Pool here sitting at $1.22. It's down 3.42% today. TVK, Terra Virtua Collect, 38 cents. Seri, so CREE, Seri Network, it's at 14 cents. What do we got here? NFTB, 50 cents, Alpha, $1.20. So what I tend to look for are projects that have got some zeros in front of them, because I mean, yes, you can spend $20, $30, $14, all that kind of stuff. That's great. When you get the double zeros, that's where you're going to see the most insane returns on your money. And yes, it's hard, and it takes a long time and a lot of looking into to do that, but this is the place. KuCoin is where you're going to find those hidden gems. So if you go to new as well, you can see on my screen here, you've got Seawar, that's at $2.15. These are new listings as well. VXV was one they listed yesterday, or on Friday, sorry. So that's sitting at $14.07. It's up 4.55%. It did drop down significantly. I think it was around the $24 mark that I checked. So that's the new listing here. DPR, so Deeper Network, is at 18 cents. XTM is at $1.21.88. Automata Network here, $1.34. FXS here, $23. So see what I'm saying here? $23. Like, I like flyer projects as well. Like, I love my stable, blue chip like XRP, Cardano, all that sort of stuff, or Matic or Neo. Those are big coins, and they're like obviously already established. But if you can get something that's in the double zeros or even triple zeros, hold it long term, it may fly. And obviously this is not financial advice, but KuCoin is where you find the gems here. And audio is $2.28. A lot of crypto portfolios are holding audio at the moment, so that is incredible as well. This is a new listing on KuCoin. PaxG, ENS, $54. That's quite expensive. Shill, Project Seed, 71 cents. ERN, Eternity Chain, $15.59. HEGIC, 12 cents. CRE. So basically, this platform is where you find your hidden gems here, guys. Now, the other thing I want to go to is Twitter. So I searched KuCoin gems, and I do this on a daily basis to see what's flying here, obviously, and you can see what's trending the top. What do we got here? You've got Ella, you've got Block that's been trending as well. What have we got here? CGG. I mean, people put up these lists and it's incredible, but you've got to go through them to make sure they're not, scam coins, basically. And there's a lot of them out there, and a lot of people pump up these coins and projects, but sometimes you'll find a hidden gem. So if you've got here, so I must say it's been a good day for my KuCoin gems. You got VXV, TVK, KAI, ALBT, ZCC, ZX, sorry. Just go through Twitter and you'll find some hidden gems here, man. And then what you do is from here is I go to CoinMarketCap, and the market cap's sitting at 2.8 trillion at the moment. Let me have a look. It's just gone up, which is good. And I've got a list here. So if I go to my watch list, and you can see that on my screen, projects to look at. All right. So obviously these are the ones I'm looking at the moment. And if I go sort by price, right. So XEP. This is one that is in the double zeros at the moment in the last 24 hours. Let's just wait for it to load. It's up 2.42%. Again, this project here is like, something I'd be interested in. Obviously, you need to do a lot more research into this stuff to make sure you're comfortable. You've got to check the trading volume. What have we got here? It's got a market cap here of 31 million. So again, it's really early. It's got $103,000 in trading volume, which is good. It is on the Binance Smart Chain, so in order to buy this, you will need obviously Binance Smart Chain, so BNB, and you can store it on MetaMask as well, which is good. Fully diluted market cap 53 million, and the circulating supply is 17.8 billion. It's got a max supply of 30 billion XEP, which is good. So it's not some crazy $1 trillion amount. So this is one that I'm definitely going to consider adding into my portfolio, just for flyers. The other one here, we've got here 005. So you've got DGTX. DGTX is a ticker symbol. It's up 8% in the last 24 hours, which is awesome. 7 days, 51%. So this is definitely one to consider. It is on KuCoin as well. So if you scroll here, guys, let's just have a look here. Market cap sitting at $5 million. So this is very early, guys. Trading volume is up to 760,000. So this is very good, guys. This is definitely one to consider. By the way, this is in US dollars. I haven't done this in Australian dollars, so it'd be around about, what do we got here? Probably close to 1 cent. So it's really cheap to buy and hold. It's on the Ethereum network, which is good. So always check the contract where it is. I get a bit scared about projects on like PancakeSwap and all that kind of stuff, because that that it could be a rug pull. You just got to be very careful on that. So you've got here total supply 1.59 billion DGTX, which is good. Circulating supply. Have a read about the project based on the Ethereum ERC20 tokens, which is great. Similar to XYO as well. DGTX is a native utility token, next generation, zero commission spot and futures cryptocurrency exchange, Digitex. So that's cool. Check it out. Proton, I've seen a lot flying around up, and it is pumping at the moment, guys, at 4 cents USD, which is really good. It's up 20% in the last 24 hours. There's been a lot flying about XPR. Market cap sitting under $1 billion, so $0.339 billion, $45 million in trading volume. So there's a lot trading on this, guys. So this is what I'm saying. This is a flyer. Had you have gotten this at 00, or even 000, you'd be on a nice return right there. And this is what I try to look for, because if you get those returns, you can, hold on to that, because it'll only go up to, 10 cents or 15 cents. If it does, it's incredible. And you'll be able to get some incredible returns rather than waiting a long time. You'll get them a lot sooner, and you can cash out those profits if you wish, or hold on. Depends, it's up to you. This one, he's got a total supply of 12.2 billion XPR. So this is a good one as well. Varsity VRA is another one as well. It's at 6 cents. At 24 hours, it's down 4%. We got here market cap under $1 billion, so 0.276. 24-hour trading volume has been $75 million. So there's a lot there. 19.4 billion is the total supply, so it's not crazy. And again, it's on the Ethereum network. You can store it on MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Depends where you store your coins. Founded in May 2018. Veracity is the next generation of video sharing aimed at creating a fair system for creators to earn from their work. Who doesn't want to earn from their work, guys? So VRA is good. Blocktopia is pumping at the moment, guys, up 17%. Look at that dip in the last 24 hours, guys. That's crazy, man. So sitting at 8 cents. So this is another gem. Market cap under $1 billion, which is good. Volume has been under $1 billion. Max supply 200 billion block. So this is an interesting one here. It's got quite a lot. It's on the Polygon network, Polygon-matic network. So I'm not sure where you're going to be able to store this, but it is available on KuCoin. So Blocktopia is a skyscraper made of up to 21 levels of pay-to-pay recognition to 21 million Bitcoin. Token holders will be known for Blocktopians. It will act as a central hub and welcome all levels of crypto experience. For the first time ever, users will have the access to crypto information and immersive content all in one place. Blocktopians will be able to earn revenue through real estate ownership, advertising revenue, and play games, build networks, and much more. By using the world's most advanced real-time 3D creation engine, Blocktopia will leverage this technology to create stunning visualizations and user experience. Interesting project. Ascent is another one that's flying at the moment, 17 cents. So this is getting up there to the higher region, obviously 15%, guys. It's got 2 billion ACE. And we've got trading volume here, $2.9 million. There's a lot trading through this. You can see obviously clearly there. 17 cents. What else have we got here? Orakuru is another one here. I found it's at 18% in the last 24 hours. It is at 31 cents. USD trading volume is $296 million. Max supply is 45.8 billion. Habitat is a scaling DAO solutions on the Ethereum layer infrastructure, and again, it's on the Binance Smart Chain, so you will need BNB. Probably saw that in MetaMask as well. The other one is Govy, and XRPT Persistence is one that I've seen some insane price predictions. I'm not sure where this is at the moment. This is just in my watch list, not on KuCoin. But in the last 24 hours, it's up 0.18% to $7.98, guys. So it is down today. XRPT Persistence, and the other one is Cardena. This one has been flying, man, the last couple of days. Just it's up 103%. Which is crazy. KDA, $23 US, which is quite expensive. Market cap $3.6 billion. Trading volume has been 0.17 billion. Circulating supply is 157 million KDA. So it's got a good decent supply there. And I'm not sure what the network it's on at the moment. I've got to look this up. But I think it's on KuCoin. I believe this one is. I'll have to double check that. But yes, I'm pretty sure it is on KuCoin. So KDA is another one that's been flying as well. So I'm adding my list of KuCoin gems. Electra Protocol is definitely one to consider because it's in that 00. That's the flyer for me. And the other one here is DGTX as well, up 8%. Proton XPR is up 21% as well. So those three, definitely one to consider if you're looking for some KuCoin gems. That's pretty much it. So what I recommend and what I do is look at Twitter, see what's trending on here, go to Reddit, have a look at the the community, see if it's trending in there. Look up the projects here, obviously. Make sure that they're tweeting and they're active. I mean, look at these ones. You've got New Gem, Naka. So you just find all these new projects here. How did audio, get listed on KuCoin? It hasn't exploded yet like a rocket. It's just stuff like this, man. I just wanted to share a video today about KuCoin because I did find XYO. And guys, I mean, look at XYO. Like, seriously, I'm just going to go back here and search it. XYO. Well, not XTO. XYO. It was on KuCoin. And again, if I go to the last year, if it wants to load. All right, so where are we now in the day? September 2021. No, I bought that way before. Was that 20? Sorry, give me a sec. No, I bought that way before that. If I go all time. All right, so we go July. I bought around here somewhere. I think April, around here. So you can see the double zeros. So now I just tried to buy it on Coinbase because it was listed on Coinbase. You put $100 in, you're going to get around 900 tokens. Whereas before I put like $100, I would get 2,000 or 3,000 tokens. And the gas fees on KuCoin were quite high. And that's the other thing I was going to mention as well. The gas fees in general are, you've got to be careful of as well because they're quite expensive. Also, the one that everyone is talking about as well is Ubix Network on KuCoin. This one I have bought into. It's up 15,000%. I did get that on KuCoin. You will need a minimum of 90,000 Ubix Network to transfer out. You can store this on MetaMask or Trust Wallet, wherever you wish. It's on the Ethereum network as well. So Ubix Network is another one, guys. KuCoin gem. That's pretty much it for today's video. I just want to give you guys an update on where to look for crypto gems. Again, KuCoin is the place that I love, and let me know in the comments below if you use KuCoin. All right, guys, stay safe. Have a good weekend. We'll speak soon. Peace. Bye.